Agricultural applications of alkanes and alkenes. Alkanes and alkenes, the building blocks of hydrocarbons, play a crucial role in modern agriculture. These simple molecules found in natural gas and petroleum serve as the foundation for various agricultural applications. Alkanes like methane and propane are primarily used as fuels. They power tractors, irrigation systems, and other farm machinery, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and promoting sustainability. Additionally, alkanes are used as feedstocks for producing fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides essential for crop growth and pest control. Alkenes like ethylene are vital for stimulating plant growth and development. Ethylene gas, for instance, promotes fruit ripening, accelerates seed germination, and enhances flower blooming. These controlled applications of alkenes allows farmers to optimize crop yields and improve overall quality. Furthermore, alkanes and alkenes are used in the production of bioplastics, a sustainable alternative to traditional plastics. These bioplastics can be used for packaging, mulching, and other agricultural applications, reducing environmental impact and promoting a circular economy. In conclusion, alkanes and alkenes are indispensable components of modern agriculture. Their diverse applications from powering farm machinery to enhancing crop growth contribute to a more efficient, sustainable, and productive agricultural system.